Looky. He gets his
Let's go inside.
cloven hooves stuck in there. Hey, Lookers. What are you doing, buddy? You a banana?
Hey, babe.
You little stinker. Come here, Lucky.
It's okay, baby.
Here, do you want some banana? He's not really getting mad about it today.
Hey, sweetie.
She's
Hey, sweet girl.
ouch. Calm down.
Do you like walking around?
He won't eat the little pieces. He wants like the whole.
Lookers.
Wait till you get him with the peel hanging out of his mouth.
Keep them there for a minute. There we go. Finally got on. Where's that little girl? Don't forget the camera's here. Come here, baby girl.
He's not really being funny about it. He's usually like.
What's that say?
Yeah.
Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby girl. Get her. Help me get her.
Look.
Here, watch this. This is the funny part.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
I think he's just cute because it's just.
Get her, Kelly.
Come here, sister.
Come on, baby girl.
Lucky, come here, buddy.
Come on, baby.
Want some banana?
Oh.
Come here, do you want some banana? Want some banana? It's yummy. You don't have a sweet tooth yet, do you?
Jesus.
There's the end of the banana.
You're a sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. Get a picture with her, honey.
There's the new baby goat.
With me.
You know, I'm videotaping. Look at you, baby girl. Hi, sweetie.
That girl. Say hi,
What's her
baby
name?
girl. I don't know. Penelope.
Penelope. Hey, sweetie.